Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Repair, your go-to spot for auto repair tips and diagnostics. Today, we're breaking down a common OBD trouble code that might pop up on your scanner. P00. Let's find out what it means, what causes it, and how you can fix it. P0050 refers to the heated oxygen sensor, HO2S, heater control circuit, specifically for Bank 2, Sensor 1. That's the upstream oxygen sensor on the side of the engine, opposite cylinder 1. This sensor plays a key role in monitoring air-fuel ratios, and the heater element helps it reach operating temperature quickly for accurate readings. Also, this sensor has a built-in heater to help it reach operating temperature faster, especially in cold starts. If the ECU detects a problem in the heater circuit, it'll trigger this code. Common causes of P0050. Number 1. Faulty oxygen sensor. The heating element in the sensor may fail, causing the circuit to be open or shorted. Inspect the oxygen sensor. Use a multimeter to test resistance in the heater circuit. Replace the sensor if faulty. Number 2. Blown fuse or damaged wiring. The heater circuit relies on fuses and wiring. Any breaks, shorts, or open circuits can trigger this code. Replace any blown fuses. Inspect wiring for damage, burns, or fraying and repair as needed. Number 3. Corroded or loose electrical connectors. Poor connections at the sensor or along the wiring harness can interrupt the signal or power supply. Disconnect, inspect, and clean sensor connectors. Ensure they fit snugly and have no corrosion. Number 4. Faulty powertrain control module, PCM. If the control circuit inside the PCM fails, it may not provide power to the heater circuit. Only after all other components are confirmed good, consider PCM-ECM diagnosis and replacement. The sensor fails resistance testing. Replace it with a quality OM or equivalent sensor. Make sure you get the right one. Bank 2 sensor. 1. Avoid universal sensors unless you're confident with wiring. Car repair pro tips. Use an OBD2 scanner to read trouble codes before swapping parts. Many issues aren't what they seem. Check forums or YouTube for people with your exact model. Symptoms often point to common fixes. When taking things apart, label wires, bolts, and parts using tape or bags. This avoids the "where did this go?" moment. Don't over-tighten bolts, especially spark plugs, lug nuts, or anything aluminum. Use a torque wrench and look up specs. Disconnect the battery, especially for electrical work. This avoids blown fuses or fried modules. Thanks for watching.